Everything works together for its good. So whatever challenges you find on your journey of life, don't give up. Welcome to another episode of a book review. This is the book, Snakes and Ladders, Entrapments and Enablers on the Complex Journey of Life by Albert and Comfort Ocran. I love this couple so much. The writers talked about the choices and experiences that can bring us down on the game board of life and those that can bring us up. And they represented the retrogressive experiences as the snake and the progressive experiences as the ladder. I'm going to review the book by talking about some of the chapters, and I know it's going to be very useful to you, so stay tuned. Because it's a book review, I'm picking 5 chapters, and if you have thought of getting this book, then this review is going to help you. Chapter 1, Bites and Ascents. The writers said that in this journey of life, we can move from grace to grass or grass to grace. And when we make wrong choices, a snake or a number of snakes will bite us. And when they bite us, they retard us from progressing in life. And I picked a quote from page 11 of the book, paragraph 1.4, and it reads, "Our choices, decisions, and actions determine whether we end up with a snake or a ladder." Wow. Every step that we take today is either going to help us or hinder us from getting to our destination. So it's very, very crucial that we consider the choices that we make today. Chapter 4, 5 Poisonous Attitudes. The writers talked about some poisonous attitudes that set us back in life. And these poisonous attitudes are: 1, the binging snake of indulgence; 2, the relentless snake of greed; 3, the forgetful snake of ungratefulness; 4, the never-learning snake of forgetfulness; and 5, the impatient snake of premature exposure. And I picked the quote from page 50 of the book, paragraph 3, line 5 to 6. And it reads, "Every decision we make gets us either closer to our individual and collective dreams or further away from them." Every decision we make in life can get us closer to our destination or further us away from it. And in one way can affect those around us as well. So when it comes to decision taking in this life, we have to be very, very cautious about it. Chapter 7, 7 Voices on the Fast Track Lane. The writers talked about the ladders that we climb in life and the people that are positioned by these ladders who are going to assist us to progress in life. And these 7 voices on the fast track lanes are: 1, the godly counselor; 2, the divine connector; 3, the confirmer; 4, the constructive critic; 5, the coach; 6, the wilderness sponsor; and 7, the destiny changer. And I picked the quote from page 19 of the book, paragraph 1, line 4 to 6. And it reads, "A godly counselor brings you the mind of God about an issue, opportunity, or challenge confronting you." When you have a godly counselor, then this godly counselor is going to shorten your journey by pointing out to where exactly you have to go and how you have to go around it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Chapter 8, 21 Secrets of the Great. And the writers talked about the enablers that help great people to succeed in life. And because it's a book review, I'm going to pick 10 out of the 21. Routine, punctuality, trust, gratitude, relationship building skills, discipline, passion, persistence, feedback, dress sense. And I picked the quote from page 108, paragraph 1.1, and it reads, "Great people do consistently what ordinary people do periodically." Great people will always be great people because they are consistent about what they do all the time. So if you want to be great, try to be consistent in whatever that you do. Chapter 9, Bitten But Not Poisoned. The writers said that we may have control of some snake bites, and sometimes too, just a little control. And I picked a quote from page 144, paragraph 1, line 1 to 2. And it reads, "There is a reason why God has allowed every experience in your life. Everything works together for its good. So whatever challenges you find on your journey of life, don't give up." The writers added real-life stories and Bible scriptures to the chapters, and it made the book so inspiring. This book is a must-read book for everyone, especially those who are desiring to become great. If you want a copy of this book, check the links in the description below. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. Stay blessed.